Streamlit is a Python tool for turning your code into an interactive web app. Instead of building a website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can use simple Python commands to add text, charts, buttons, sliders, and other widgets. Write your Python code, run Streamlit, and your app appears in the browser. Widgets in Streamlit are interactive controls that let users give input to your app. For example, users can type text, move a slider, choose an option, upload a file, or click a button. Each widget returns a value to a Python variable. Your program can then use that value to update calculations, charts, or other content on the page. In simple terms, widgets connect the user to your Python code and make the app interactive. Streamlit gives us simple tools to display information and collect input from users. For text, we can create titles, headers, captions, markdown, and even display Python code. We can also show data using tables, interactive data frames, metrics, and JSON. To make the app interactive, Streamlit provides widgets such as buttons, text boxes, sliders, select boxes, checkboxes, date inputs, file uploaders, and cameras. We can even group several widgets inside a form and process all the inputs when the user clicks Submit. So this first group is really about communication. The app shows information, the user provides input, and Python receives that input. Next, Streamlit helps us visualize information and organize the page. It has simple built-in charts for lines, bars, areas, scatterplots, and maps. It can also display visualizations from libraries like Matplotlib, Plotly, Altair, PyDeck, GraphViz, and Mermaid. For media, we can show images, audio, video, PDFs, and logos. To organize everything, we can create sidebars, columns, tabs, containers, expanders, and popovers. Streamlit also supports navigation between multiple pages. Together, these tools let us transform a simple Python script into a well-organized visual web application. Finally, Streamlit provides tools that control how the application behaves. We can display success messages, warnings, errors, progress bars, spinners, and notifications so users know what is happening. Session state lets the app remember information between interactions, while caching prevents expensive operations from running again and again. Streamlit also provides special tools for AI applications, including chat input, chat messages, and streaming responses. And functions like rerun, stop, fragments, and dialogues give us more control over execution. Put everything together: content, widgets, visualization, layout, state, and control, and Streamlit gives us a powerful way to build complete interactive Python web apps.